Right, so I decided to swap the Dalek shell for a different one. So this is an old Dalek Supreme that has seen better days. But what I've done with this particular one is just to see if I can adapt it to the large ball bearing. So what I did was I cut out a few of the truss rods, which join the thing together, and so there was a truss rod here which I've cut out, and there's another one that was there. So I've cut out two truss rods to accommodate the ball. So now the ball will fit in there with very little opposition, and I think maybe that's all I need to do, really, as far as worrying about the housing issues of the Dalek ball bearing. It means I don't have to worry too much about making a casing like this. I mean, I might still use that, I don't know yet, but essentially the ball bearing will run quite nicely. Now I've cut those truss rods out, and so it's moving quite smoothly, and yeah, it's just got a nice gliding motion to it, like the real ones have, because they run on casters. It's still quite heavy though. Like it is a kilogram at least. I don't know. But anyway, that's the 40mm ball bearing. So let's just let's go back and track. So this is the 1-inch ball bearing. Let's put that in there. I mean, it works, but it's just not got that gliding motion. Not as much, it does stop very suddenly, and it's just kind of a little bit pointless having the ball bearing in there. I mean, it'll probably work without the ball bearing, to be honest. You might as well just be scooting it without the ball bearing, like so. Just relying on the stabilizers, for example. So I think, yeah, this is the way forward. I don't know if that's actually negated it as a toy, and now it's gone into new territory as something else. I don't know what it is now. I don't know if you can still class it as a toy now. It's got its massive ball bearing in it, and I don't know if that would be cost effective as a toy. But certainly you can see that it is moving around very nicely with the 40mm ball bearing inside it. Yeah, so you can do quite a lot with it in that respect. So now I'm going to screw it all together, because I've made some holes which will fit into the screw holes that are inside here. So I'm just going to screw it all together and then see how it works.